Welcome back to the channel. Next Car Lunch. What if Tesla's next big surprise is not just another electric car, but a practical Model M designed to save you money every single month? Today, we're looking at the expected 2027 Tesla Model M, including its estimated price, real-world range, maintenance costs, resale value, and whether it could actually make financial sense for American buyers and small businesses. And stay until the end, because the biggest value of this Tesla may not be its acceleration, it could be how much it costs to own. Now, before we go further, there is an important point. The 2027 Tesla Model M has not been officially confirmed with complete production specifications, so the numbers we're discussing are estimates based on Tesla's current technology, market positioning, and expected EV trends. Think of this as a preview of what a Model M could offer rather than an official specification sheet. Starting with price, an estimated US starting price could land somewhere around $35,000 to $45,000, depending on the final body style, battery, equipment, and Tesla's pricing strategy. For American buyers, that would put the Model M in a very interesting position because it could compete with affordable electric vehicles while offering Tesla's charging ecosystem and technology. For Japan, an estimated converted and market-adjusted price could be roughly 5.5 million yen to 7 million yen. Taxes, import costs, local regulations, and equipment could change the final number significantly. For other American export markets, including buyers looking at vehicles connected to US specifications, the final price could vary depending on shipping, duties, registration, and local taxes. So don't treat these numbers as official prices. They are realistic estimates for planning purposes. Now let's talk about the biggest reason someone might consider this vehicle: running cost. If the Model M is built as a fully electric vehicle, there is no gasoline engine drinking fuel every morning. Instead, you pay for electricity. For a driver covering 12,000 to 15,000 miles a year, that difference can become meaningful, especially if most charging happens at home. A realistic target for an efficient Tesla could be somewhere around 250 to 350 miles of EPA-rated range, depending on the battery and configuration. Real-world mileage will be lower or higher depending on speed, weather, temperature, tire pressure, traffic, and driving style. On American highways, driving fast for long periods will reduce range. In city traffic, regenerative braking can help efficiency. The important thing is simple. You are not constantly stopping at a gas station. If electricity prices are reasonable where you live and you can charge at home, the Model M could deliver substantial energy savings compared with a gasoline-powered vehicle. Maintenance is another major advantage. There is no traditional engine oil to replace, no spark plugs, no conventional transmission service, and fewer mechanical components that normally require routine maintenance. You will still have tires, brakes, suspension components, filters, fluids, and other service items, but regenerative braking can reduce traditional brake wear. That does not mean an EV is maintenance-free. Battery systems, electronics, suspension parts, tires, and collision repairs can still be expensive. Tesla service availability also depends heavily on where you live. Before buying, American customers should check how close the nearest Tesla service location is and how easily replacement parts can be obtained. For long-term ownership, this could be where the Model M becomes interesting. If Tesla keeps the purchase price competitive while delivering strong efficiency, lower routine maintenance, and dependable battery performance, the total cost of ownership could be significantly lower than a comparable gasoline vehicle. But what about resale value? This is where buyers need to be careful. Tesla resale values can change quickly because EV technology moves fast and manufacturers can adjust new car prices. A price reduction on a brand new vehicle can immediately affect used car values. So if you plan to keep the Model M for many years, depreciation may matter less. But if you plan to sell after 2 or 3 years, resale value should be one of your biggest considerations. Buying at the right price will be extremely important. Insurance is another cost that buyers sometimes forget. Electric vehicles can sometimes have higher insurance costs because certain repairs, sensors, cameras, electronics, and battery-related components can be expensive. Your actual premium will depend on your state, driving record, age, coverage, and location. So get an insurance quote before making the purchase decision. Now imagine driving the Model M through a busy American city. If Tesla gives it compact dimensions, good visibility, strong cameras, and a tight turning radius, it could be very comfortable in crowded streets and parking areas. Narrow downtown roads and busy shopping areas are exactly where a smaller electric vehicle can feel easier than a large pickup. On the highway, the Model M should be focused on smooth acceleration, quiet cruising, and stable handling. EVs have instant torque, so even a modest powertrain can feel quick when leaving a traffic light or merging onto a highway. For daily usability, however, the question is cargo space. If Tesla positions the Model M as a practical compact vehicle, buyers could use it for deliveries, commuting, small business work, equipment transportation, and everyday family needs. But if you regularly carry heavy loads or tow large trailers, a larger truck would still make more sense. And that brings us to a competitor, the Ford Maverick. The Maverick has a major advantage for buyers who want traditional truck flexibility, gasoline or hybrid choices, and an established pickup format. But the Model M could fight back with lower energy costs, less routine engine maintenance, quieter driving, and potentially lower daily operating expenses. So this isn't about one vehicle destroying the other. It is about choosing what saves you more money based on how you drive. For an American commuter driving thousands of miles every year, a small business owner making local deliveries, or a value-focused buyer who wants to reduce fuel expenses, the Model M could become a very interesting option. But remember, the final battery size, range, cargo capacity, pricing, service network, and production configuration must be confirmed by Tesla before making any buying decision. The real hidden value here is simple. If Tesla can combine an affordable purchase price with strong range, low energy consumption, low routine maintenance, and practical everyday usability, the Model M could become one of those vehicles that looks expensive at first but becomes surprisingly affordable over several years of ownership. So, would you choose the estimated 2027 Tesla Model M over a gasoline or hybrid vehicle? Let us know what you think in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe to Next Car Lunch, and turn on notifications so you never miss our upcoming car updates, new model previews, price discussions, and ownership-focused reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.